Hey, I made a vow not to look at my eyes again in any kind of reflection, so I'm just going to close my eyes during this video. Pretty much last night when I was sleeping, I had a dream. I had like four dreams actually, just like the night before. And one of them, for a split second, I saw this weird kind of like Egyptian man with a bird head. And I've heard before about people seeing that in their dreams, and it's supposed to be like an alien or something. But yeah, pretty much the guy was like Egyptian looking. He had a golden thing around his neck and like a spear or something, and like uh, uh, an eagle head. He wasn't blue like everyone says. The blue aliens. Oh my god, the blue bird aliens. No, he was like an eagle head with a spear kind of thing. But he did have that Egyptian look to him, which was kind of strange, and I only saw him for like a split second. Okay, I'm gonna eat my soup now. Just wanted to say that.